In this tutorial, I will show you how to detach audio from a video clip using wondershare Filmora 11. So I'm going to import my clip right here by clicking on this icon. I'll click on the video I want to import and click on open. So I can click and drag this into the timeline, or I can go ahead and click on this plus icon right here. Then choose one of these options. I'm going to choose this one. I'll just go ahead and play the clip for you. I'll go ahead and zoom out here so you can see the entire canvas or timeline. So to detach an audio from this video clip, click on the video, then right click, and right up here towards the middle of this tab, you're going to see detach audio. Click on it. And as you can see in real time, the audio has been detached from the video and sent to the audio track down here. So you're free to do whatever you want to do with this audio file, either to delete it or to edit it independently from the video clip.